Hello traders, today is the 4th of April 2010 and I have here the chart, the daily chart of the Euro Yen. As you can see on this chart here, the Euro Yen was in a downtrend. If you follow my cursor all the way here, downtrend, okay? And then we have this correction here, the A, B, C, D pattern. If you watch my previous video, you know that I'm a believer in this ABCD pattern, a very reliable pattern that will give you a very excellent risk reward, okay, ratio. And I think in the future also you start liking this pattern very much because it just shows you exactly what the price is likely to do, what I call a high probability trade. Okay, nothing is guaranteed, but we know that we have a high probability trade when we see the ABCD pattern. So as you can see here, we were in the downtrend nicely here, and then we have the ABCD pattern. We know that this downtrend, at least for now, is ended. Okay, we can't guarantee that the price will stop going down further, but when we see a downtrend and then we followed by the ABCD correction, we know that for now at least that downtrend is finished. Okay, so now what do we have here? Looking into the future of this Euro Yen currency, it's a very volatile currency also. I don't trade it very often, but it's very rewarding currency if you apply the technical analysis with the fundamental carefully, you'll be making a lot of money very quickly. Now, when you have a downtrend like this, and then you have the ABCD pattern, you know that that downtrend is finished, okay? So what people were expecting to do here, everybody will be waiting to buy above. I'll draw the horizontal line instead. Everybody will be waiting to buy above this B level here, okay? So you see resistance here being validated here. Now that resistance is broken, okay? Right here, right now it's broken, okay? And I have here the CCI indicator. If you watch my previous video, how to trade the CCI indicator like a professional trader, and I have here also my favorite Bollinger Band 50 deviation 2, which is exactly the same thing like this CCI period 50 is exactly like Bollinger Band 50.2. So I just leave it here to show you that this indicator here, CCI indicator, is exactly the Bollinger Band here. They are just doing the same thing, okay? So you can watch that video also and know about the CCI indicator. So now this resistance line is broken, okay? So what do we expect? We're expecting the price from this level here to pull back to the exponential moving average 50, okay? So next week, I mean, this is the 4th of April 2010. So the next time the market will open, we'll be watching. We're not going to sell quickly. We will be watching this zone here of the Euro Yen. And if we see weaknesses, we will sell. And we will know, we will expect the price to touch this exponential moving average 50 or come near it at least, okay? That's why our next target. So we are willing to sell the Euro Yen the next time the market open and expect the Euro Yen to come all the way here unless there are some news. Always we must watch the news. Which news is coming next week? We have to pay attention to that also, because if you have some major news, the market can continue to do something completely different. So do not only use technical analysis, especially when you are trading the currencies, okay? And also the problem regarding the Greece situation is partly resolved, but it's still in the mind of the people. So nothing is blocking this euro to continue going downward if the situation regarding Greece continue to affect negatively the euro. Okay, so but right now we want to sell according to this pattern here. We want to sell the euro yen and expect the euro yen to pull back up to the exponential movement 50. After that, we are expecting a new uptrend to continue from here. Okay, so this is what I want to show you here. So this trade, this this is a high probability trade that is likely to start from next week if everything remains the same and no major news influence this pattern that we have on the chart today. Okay, so the price right now, even if you look carefully also, is at this resistance level here. This one here is right here. Yeah, you see this zone here. It's a resistance here. If you follow my cursor here, it's a resistance zone here being validated right here also. So it must pull back to 50. But we know that we are in the beginning of our uptrend. The momentum is increasing. Momentum is increasing and resistance is broken. Downtrend and correction. Okay, so we are expecting uptrend to continue after this pullback. So if everything remains the same, people will be busy buying near this exponential moving of 50 to catch the new trend that's going to begin right here, right now. Okay, this is the daily chart of the euro yen. Okay, now another thing you need to remember also, this is a very excellent, because it's like we have two green lights. Okay, A, B, C, D is completed for uptrend. What do? We sell at D. This is something we need to remember. Anytime you see A, B, C, D pattern and is uptrend A, B, C, D pattern, this is uptrend. One up, second pullback, one up again. We must sell at D. Okay, we must sell at D, but we pay attention to the news also. Okay, so everybody, all these people here who bought from here to here, take their profit, pull back here, they will be coming out right there. Okay, they will come back, they will pull back a bit to the 50, and then they will buy again, because the downtrend here we know is finished. Downtrend plus correction, end of the trend at least for now. Okay, so this is what we are expecting the market to do next time the market is open. So I hope this is making sense also to you. But as everything in the stock market, nothing remains the same. Okay, so this is what we have now. Things can change tomorrow or after tomorrow regarding the news, but we don't assume anything. We observe the price. So now that we know that we want to sell at this level here, I will draw the line for you. If we use our multiple time frame trading, okay, we will switch back, when the market open next time. We have this line here. I will double it to make it thick here for myself, ready for action. Okay, you see how easy it is. Sometimes the market will give you nice high opportunity trade. So we have it. I have it here on my chart now. So come Monday or whatever, the mark London till London is open. Okay, we wait London is open. Otherwise, the future people, as usual, wake up in the morning and mess up the trade for you before you even get paid. And we don't want that, okay? So after London opens, we will be watching this line here and willing to sell and take profit here. This may last for 2 days or 3 days, okay? Nicely here. And then we buy here. And if we buy here at the exponential moving 50, we just wait till the trend continue till it reach this level here. Okay, so I have to stop now because of the YouTube 10 minutes. Till next time, I hope this makes sense to you. I will continue the second part regarding this, so follow me to the second part. Till next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy.